I hope I'm not trespassing, but here I am pulling on this property right now. We need to see what we're gonna build here. Let me hop out and figure this out right here, y'all. So, actually I'm not trespassing. That's my house right there. That's where I currently live. We built that house a couple years ago, and now it's time to build something right here. I don't know what to build. That's why I'm making this video, to ask you what y'all think I should do here. I kind of went back and forth thinking garage, maybe for the truck, or some type of gazebo, maybe a pool. We got all kinds of space. If you pan back right there and show them everything we've got going on, you can see that there's so much space for opportunity. However, I think we're gonna go with another house. Why not make a little bit more money if we can? I just don't know what kind of house right here. Do I match it to this one? Farm style, we got the beams in the front, got the nice stone on the side, or do we go with something a little smaller because the market is going crazy right now? We don't know if interest rates are going down. Are they coming up? We don't know. But what I do know is that we have some land right here. This is great property. It's not too steep. We can build something for pretty cheap. I would think so. With materials going up, tariffs going up, everything is going crazy right now. You would think that we don't know what's going on. So we got to figure it out. I just want to see what y'all think right here. We'll actually take you up in the sky so you can see what is actually happening, what type of property it is. And so you can see right here, it's a pretty good plot of land. We've got enough room to put a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, probably around 1,500 square feet, maybe 1,600. But I just want to make sure that we put the right property here so that we don't lose out on any great profits and that we can have a great neighbor. I don't want to just put anything right here and then all of a sudden you got a bad neighbor, you got no money, and you just built it for no reason and wasted a bunch of time. So let us just continue to look around here and then we'll show you what we find. Well, this is one of the property corners, which is pretty crazy because we're halfway in the middle of this cul-de-sac. If you look this way, you can see we are literally, let me count it off actually. So I'll start right here. We'll just do this. I wear size 12 or 11 and a half. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 feet onto this cul-de-sac. So you know we're gonna have to push that front setback back anyway because there are rules and regulations. But going that way, we got about 120 feet across the front. And then I'm not really sure how many feet we have that way. I would have to check everything. But you can see that orange stake back there where there's a little bird flying around, where that tree is, we've got a pretty good space right here. So all of this can be where the house goes. This entire area right here where the truck is, all the way to where that trailer is back there, you can see that all this is usable property. We have it all the way to this side where these trees are. I mean, this is a great lot. And honestly, it's in a great location, which you can see from the drone footage and everything like that. But I just don't know what to put right here. So that's what we're trying to figure out. Eventually, you just got to do it because when you sit there and think about it too much, you don't get anything done. And I'm not about that life. I'm a doer, not a thinker. Yeah, I think a little bit, but I like to do instead of think too much. So we just need your help. Drop a comment. Let me know what kind of house I should put here right now. Don't hesitate. Don't think. Just type. We could put a boat storage right here. Probably not actually. So this is actually my boat trailer. I just got to get this moved out of the way when we start construction. But check out this back deck right here. If you watched our actual $350,000 home build about 2 years ago, this house has, I'm not gonna say doubled in price, but definitely went up in price substantially. We may end up selling this, but in the meantime, I wanted to kind of match the vibe of this. I mean, look how beautiful that is. We got all the beams stained right there. That back deck is looking great with the Trex. I mean, we have the same effect. When the sun sets over here, right directly over there, it looks absolutely beautiful. So we just got to figure out the right house right here, man. I don't know what to do, but I know y'all are gonna help me out here, and I know we're gonna get somewhere. And then we're gonna start building, and then we're gonna start making money. And I appreciate you. Smile more, worry less, stay blessed. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.